Alright, y'all, so about to do some off-road bashing out of this hospital parking lot, park, construction site, whatever that is. I've been out here a few times, but the other day we brought the trailer out here to test out the GPM shocks over at the staff parking lot, and we broke some stuff, so I fixed it with some upgrades. So steering bell crank is now aluminum, hot racing. Swapped out the shock fluid for the TLR, the Team Losi Racing. It's the 100 CST, so it's like 13, or it's 100 weight, so it's like 1325 CST, something like that. But it's all ready to go, and then put another 50 millimeter fan back on instead of the dual 30s that I had, because one was crapping out, just intermittently not working, and the other, I broke a fan blade on the last outing here. So everything's updated, tightened back up. Turns out I didn't actually strip the screw holes out. It's just the very ends of the screws themselves because they were kind of short. So we went longer, stronger, good to go. Let's go and fire this up. And I forgot my forehead strap for my other GoPro. Forgot the other GoPro too, as a matter of fact. So we're gonna run this on board, and then I'll yap at y'all as we go. So tighten up these shoes real quick, but this suspension setup here with the stiffer springs and this, this is not how it's gonna stay. This is how it's, oh man. still going. GNSS tracker is still there. Yo, this thing is nasty though. Alright, so we're gonna go back to the 100C Evo. Somehow I'm bleeding. I don't know what I did. So we're gonna go hit back back to running this thing. I don't know what I did or why I'm bleeding right now. So yeah, it's just been one of those days. Holy shit. Alright, T-Bone Racing and M2C. At this point, anything else I do to this build is cosmetic. Yeah. Everything else is basically cosmetic at this point and maintenance, because this thing Alright, so before I send this again, that little front flip that I ended up landing on the helipad there was not on purpose. I didn't realize that there was a little discrepancy between the ground and the pavement, the actual helipad, and I hit that helipad head on, probably doing 40 miles an hour, and it looked cool from my perspective, but of course I don't have the GoPro on, so we only get the onboard. Hopefully it looked as epic from there as it did from my view, and nothing broke, at least that I can see, so nothing is keeping me from driving. And I won't complain there. So, let's get back to bashing. Looks like another thermal. Yep. It sounds like my fan on the ESC is dying. So we're gonna go ahead and grab Alright y'all, so my thermal issue here is like my ESC fan is not working. That's when I have good gear mesh and good gearing, that seems to be what kills it. So this 25 tooth is staying. I've got another fan coming. It could be here tomorrow on my birthday, but it could also be here on the 30th, or it could also just never show up. It's, you know, Amazon, holidays, COVID, something about that. I don't know, but I'm happy with this. I'm gonna go check out the footage, give it a once over. I mean, at first glance, it doesn't look like I broke anything else. This was already broken, and I mean, it's been broken since like the first week I had this bumper. So I hit a rock, but it's held up so well lately. I mean, I haven't really had to replace it, but it took a big lick just a minute ago on that helipad. So nothing being bent, all the M2C stuff intact, nothing bent on the shocks for the GPM shocks like that. I'm happy with this one. Like I said, every upgrade or change at this point is really cosmetic or just personal preference, because it's not a durability issue at this point. So with that said, I'll see y'all later.